welcome to Viva Medicina, the SLU Medicine Group of Batch 2001.
I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all my classmates who are here. I would also like to thank SLU College of Medicine Class 2001 for adopting Bisong Saddle Elementary School. This is a very proud moment for us because to whom much is given, much is expected. And to Class 2001, thank you and congratulations for living up to that expectation.
Gusto lang namin ipaabot sa inyong lahat na andito lang kami, ang aming batch, na patuloy na susuporta at magbibigay ng tulong sa inyo sa abot ng aming makakaya. Actually, itong partnership natin ito ay nag-umpisa pa po noong 2016. So, hindi lang po yung aming reunion ang sineselebrate natin ngayon. So, pati rin yung ating partnership which is 10 years.
Ito pong ating celebration ngayon is isa sa pinaka-highlight ng aming pagsasama-sama as a batch. Ang message ko lang po siguro is we maintain yung pong naging ating very open communication. Hindi po namin ini-implement yung hindi nyo kailangan, but what we implement is those that you need. Yung talaga pong makaka-apekto sa ating kabataan, yung pong makaka-apekto sa ating mga teachers, the things that would ease out yung pagpunta dito sa munting eskwelahan natin. And with that, tuloy-tuloy po ang aming suporta. Masayang-masaya po kami na nandito kami ngayong umaga. Good morning!
Tonight, we celebrate a milestone in our lives. For more than 2 decades, we have been very busy building our careers, assuming leadership roles, serving our communities, raising our families. Silver Strand, yung ating team ngayon, perfectly reflects the journey that we have taken the challenges that we have overcome, the sacrifices that we have made, and the success that achieved in our chosen profession. So let us celebrate our silver reunion, create new memories, and make this night to remember. Cheers!
for me. Just wait and see. I can hear the calling out my name like a fire, burning like a flame. I'm gonna stay even if I leave a part of me behind. 'Cause I was born to be.
29 years ago, we gathered in the classrooms and halls of Rizal Building, wide-eyed, nervous first years. We remember walking into anatomy class, smelling the formalin in the air, and being very quiet as they assigned us our cadavers to dissect. It was great 25 years ago. It was a great 25 years in between, and it has been a great past 2 days, remembering the old days, reminiscing, rekindling old warmth and times. I am extremely proud to be a member of this class. Viva
I can
Medicina!
hear the